about it in kind of four different ways. First of all, power, space, and cooling is sexy again. As I told people before, I've been around business for a long time, it necessarily hasn't been sexy. It's just something you need to do to get your business done. And then fiber. So you got power, space, cooling, real estate, fiber. Those are all things that telcos have. And those are things that we can leverage investments in the past to bring forward to help spur and go quicker on the AI front. So web scalers and everybody else who's working on these technologies, we can help them get to market faster, as you say, help innovate quicker and quicker time to money. The other thing though that is often overlooked, and you did touch on it talk before, I think telecoms have a role to play in making the AI world a little bit more seamless, because we've grown up in a situation where people are talking to people. We've had standards-based technology that allowed people to do that across different platforms. I think the same thing might happen in an AI world. You're going to have bots talking to bots. You're going to have agents talking to agents. And who's going to kind of have the rules of the road? How are they going to work? Are they just going to come spring force the internet, or are they going to be standards-based, or what happens? So it's early days there, and I think that's going to be a whole other interesting place to work on.
That's a great way to set the table. And to dive a little deeper, obviously it's kind of across the business. You've got managed functions over all of these industries. So there are particular verticals of manufacturing or whatever that are embracing this challenge and opportunity of AI in a way that you respond.
Yeah, I think, well, there's a few places. First of all, just basic smartphones and devices that we see today, you can see a lot of AI in there, not only from the chips, but the applications that are being made. You can see people working on new applications that go to just the basic smartphone and what have you. So that's an area we see innovation. But in terms of verticals, I think manufacturing has really been a bright spot, especially when we look at the private 5G networks we've been putting in. So marrying up private 5G networks along with the AI capabilities and robotics has really been an unlock. And it goes back to having licensed spectrum. So when you have licensed spectrum and you find CIOs are more willing to bet on putting mission critical applications